I tried day trading for a week. Here is what happened. Day trading is often seen as a fast way to make money. You hear stories of people making thousands of dollars in a single day. But is it really that easy? I decided to find out. For once full week, I tried day trading with real money. In this video, I will share my experience, what I learned, and whether or not day trading is actually worth it. If you are thinking about getting into the trading day, watch this video until the end because I will reveal the biggest mistake I made and the lesson that could save you thousands of dollars. What is day trading? Day trading means buying and selling stocks or other assets within the same day. The goal is to make a small profit from short-term price movements. Unlike long-term investors, day trades do not hold a stock overnight. They close all their trades before the market closes. To be successful, day trades need to react fast, use technical analysis, and have a solid strategy. Day 1 is setting up my account and a strategy. Before starting, I opened an account with a trading platform that allow fast traders or trades. I also set aside $1,000 as my starting capitals. For my strategy, I focus on momentum trading. This means buying a stock that are moving quickly in one direction. The idea is to get in and out before the trend reverses. I also set a rule to never risk more than 2% of my capital on any single trade. And day 2 is first trades and first mistake. On my second day, I made my first real trades. I bought a stock after seeing a strong upward trends. Within minutes, the stock price dropped and I lost $50. I quickly realized that emotion play a huge role in day trading. It is easy to panic when a trade goes against you. Many beginners make the mistake of changing a stock without a clean plan. And the third is a small wins and growing confidence. On the third day, I finally had some winning trade. I started using technical indicators like moving average and RSI to make better decisions. I bought a stock after seeing a strong buying volume and sold it within 5 minutes for a small profit. These small wins helped me gain confidence, but I was still down overall. And day 4 is over trading and emotional decision. This was the worst day. I started trading too much, trying to recover my previous losses. This is called revenge trading, and it is one of the biggest mistakes new traders make. I ended up losing more money because I was not following my strategy. I learned that discipline is the most important part of day trading. Without a clean plan, it is easy to lose money. And a 5 is learning to cut losses quickly. But the 50 days I had adjusted my strategy. Instead of hoping for a trade to recover, I started cutting losses quickly. This helped me limit my risk and avoid big losses. I also realized that some days the best trade is no trade at all. Sometimes the market is too unpredictable. The forcing trades leads to losses. Day 6 is breaking even and gaining experience. On the sixth day, I made a few a small profit, and my account balance finally returns to where I started. I was not making huge profit, but I was not losing either. I learned that patience and consistency are key. Many people think day trading is about making fast money, but it is actually about managing risk. And day 7 is final thoughts and lesson learned. After one full week of day trading, I realized how difficult it is to make consistent profit. Day trading is not a granted way to make money. It requires deep market knowledge, quick decision making, and a strong emotional control. Most beginners lose money because they trade based on emotion instead of a strategy. If you want to try day trading, start with a small amount and treat it as a learning experience. So, is day trading worth it? For most people, the answer is no. It is risky, stressful, and requires a lot of time and discipline. But if you enjoy fast paced trading and are willing to learn, it can be a valuable skill. However, long term investing is still the safest way to build wealth. If you like these videos, make sure to subscribe for more investing content. Let me know in the comment if you have ever tried day trading or are thinking about it.